excited to share a new feature we just released, and it's going to really open things up in terms of the products that you can source for a roundup and the content that you can generate and your opportunity to turn content into commerce. So we already have these direct integrations with product catalogs like Amazon, and we have AppSumo, and we added Envato Market, so you can get access to WordPress themes and creative products. And then we just added an option here called Custom. So what that does, if you select Custom, uh, you can import a product from any publicly accessible storefront. So that could be a Shopify store or an Etsy store or you name it. Anything that we can access that that isn't behind a login. So you have some of these private storefronts that require you to log in. Well, we can't access that this way, but it is public, and you have a URL, and that can be an affiliate URL. So something you're already sharing to monetize a transaction with affiliate commissions. You just need to drop in your affiliate link right into here, and you can start adding products to Roundups and generating content from those products. So at a minimum, all we need is a price and an image of the product. And if we can grab that, then we can grab everything else. So I'll just show you an example here. I'm on a random, this is a women's boutique clothing store. I don't even know who's powering it, but if I wanted to generate a roundup from uh, these products, all I need to do is go to a product page, and you can see here there is an image, there's a price. Okay, this is going to be good for us. And if I'm an affiliate already of this storefront, I probably have some affiliate tracking ID on the URL, so I would just paste that in. So I'm just going to copy this URL. I'm going to go over to Roundups, and I'll just paste that in, and I'll just click Next. And you'll see here that at this point, we're now looking at the site, and we're scraping all the product information, and we're pulling it into Roundups for you. And so in the background, AI is looking at what the content is, and we're able to suggest some possible categories that this might fit into, and so we can really focus in on some content. So summer accessories, maybe that's a good subject matter for our roundup, or you got some related categories as well. And yeah, let's just go with that. So let's click Next, and now we can pick some of our styles, and maybe we were going to want to add more than one product, so we'll just leave this selected at the default, and I'll go Next here, and it's now going to take us to the step where we're going to pick a headline. So 3 must-have summer accessories for a chic 2025 look. Okay, that sounds good to me. And now you're going to see here, we're at our products. And so because we selected that template with 3 products, we're going to need to add a couple more products to our roundup. But the one that we imported, you can see here, it's everything we wanted is here. There's an image, there's a title, we got some ratings, we got a price, and this is just how we did it. So it's already selected, and we can unselect it. But if we select it, we see we only need 2 more to go. So let's just go back to our website here, and let's just find some more products, and we can import those. And let's just take this one, and so we just click Add More, and we can just paste that in. And so now it's going to grab all. We know we can grab information from the first product, so we're going to probably be able to grab it from the second one as well. But we're not limited to this source. If we wanted to go to another, retailer online, digital retailer, we could grab products from that source as well. It's not limited to the source that we're working with. I just happen to be on this URL. So let's go back, and have this pink dress, looks good to me. So what do I know? I'm not the audience for these products, but certainly know how to generate a roundup here. So we're going to just grab that third product. Um, and you're probably thinking, why can't I just add a whole bunch of products at the same time? Well, the reason is we just don't want to have a situation where you're waiting and then, one of the products errors out, when we're trying to scrape it, or, it's just, we're going to get better results if we do it one at a time, and you can, preview it and decide if you want to include it or not. Um, and these products are now in your Roundups account. So in the future, as you create new Roundups, you'll see these products are still here. So you can select them again in the future. You don't have to paste them in each time. So now we have 3 products, and we can just click generate, and it's going to start generating a roundup from those 3 products. And you don't have to worry about any of the, if you have affiliate links, just drop them in. We'll render those call to action buttons to buy the product with your affiliate link. And this opens up the door for a lot of things. So one is, it just gives you access to the products that you already like to market, and it gives you access to the affiliate platforms that you're already using to drive commissions for transactions of those products. You don't have to wait on us, but it also gives us a sort of a path to research. So we get a lot of questions like, well, can you add this source? Can you add this source? And really, when you guys are importing products this way, one at a time, we get a better understanding of what are the data sources that our users are already using, and where are they importing products. And if we see that there's a high volume of imports of products from a particular source, then we'll use that data to be able to say, oh, we should probably do an integration with, ClickBank, for example, because everybody's importing products from ClickBank. So let's make that a direct access source, and we'll then add it to we'll feature it, and it'll have a direct integration to the ClickBank product catalog and their affiliate system. But don't wait on us to be able to benefit from your ability to generate roundups today using any source that we can publicly access. That'll get you started right away. If we go back, you can see here, I'm just going to reload this screen, and it looks like it's still generating. So obviously our AI has a lot to say about these dresses that we picked, and just we're going to hang on here, and we should be able to get to the output, and we can see what it looks like. And you can do this. You can, like I said, you can add products from one source or multiple sources, and we're gonna grab as much information as we can from that source. Oh, there we go. We have a draft. So let's view it. So there's our headline, and here are our, how we chose these accessories. There's the image. If we think the images are too big, we can edit this stuff too, right? So we can just make the image, let's go with 50%. So now the images are smaller. We just click Preview Roundup, and you can see here, there's our images are smaller. We got the pros and cons, why you love it. There's our call to action button with our link. There's the second product. There's the third product. Here's some FAQs. Wrapping up, and there's our comparison table. So obviously you're going to get apples to apples if the products are coming from the same source, because it has, probably they have similar rating scales, but you're not limited to that. You can use products from multiple sources and get to the similar result. And of course, we added this this boilerplate where we'll default to an affiliate disclosure, but you can edit this and provide a whole call to action for your brand. So you want to link out somewhere, you want to explain the benefits of this. That boilerplate gets carried across all of your roundups. Anyways, so I hope you like it. let us know what you think in the comments. Um, I think it really opens things up for you guys, and we look forward to your feedback. Thanks so much.